Caddy with me.
She just in the background, and she said, I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids. I see them talking with a big smile, but they haven't got a clue. Yeah, they're living a good life, can see what she's going through.
Hi everyone, so these are my favourite cleaning products just now. I've got Welger Bag Fabulosa Wipes, Febreze Air Freshener, my Dettol All-in-One Spray, along with the green Minky cloth for window and glass. I then made room for my Flash Spray Wipe Pinched, wild berries, along with a grey Minky pad.
She bad on him, I like this. Cowgirl, now she wanna ride it. Face cut valid and she got nice lips. Innocent and a freak, that's my type shit. 10 out of 10, yeah, that's my bitch. If you like TikTok like this, I know what you're on, don't try hide it. I girl, move your waist and wine like this. Face cut valid and her body come perfect. I could be patient if it's worth it. If you want a Birkin, then earn it. Miss, we can make fire like furnace. You pull up on me in a night with a purpose, and your eye contact is flirting. You got the whap, I'm surfing. Miss, if you got a bumper, then twerk it. Miss, if you got a bumper, then shake it. Vibrate it, embrace it. If you want a baby, let's make it. First step room, next step get naked. I got Henny, are you trying to get wasted? If you can
Y'all, the more houses I clean, the dirtier my car gets. Make that make sense. I'm going in with the Force of Nature cleaner, disinfecting all of my supplies and equipment. I usually disinfect my equipment between houses, but not like all of my bottles in my bag, so I do that at the end of the week. I've also been getting a lot of requests to show you my favorite products, so all the products I use in every single house are in this video. And during this time, I also go ahead and refill anything that needs to be refilled or restocked, like my Orange Glow. She was beaten down. That dish soap also needs to be refilled. Honestly, a lot of my products were empty in this video, like there was barely anything in that toilet bowl cleaner. And this girl is used, look at her. Oh my gosh. I just recently started carrying paper towels. I honestly don't use them that often, but I use these disinfectant wipes on toilets. They're amazing. And I have my Force of Nature cleaner in like one of those Clorox disinfectant bottles, so it's like a light mist spray. I love that. I got these toilet bowl things at the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. This bag really does hold everything. I also wear a cleaning apron that holds so much stuff. Honestly, I thought this video was going to be longer, so I'm feeling kind of incomplete. Let me know if you want to see more.
I pull up like Jimmy Neutron.